Alrighty, it is time to get the chain service done on the little Gixxer because this chain is not good. Let me show you. On the chain, so it's time for a bit of a cleanup. But also we need to get this adjusted because that is way too much slack for what the actual specs are. Alright, so if we head to the World Wide Web, we can see, here we go. Oh, missed it. There we go. So we're only meant to be getting about 20 to 30 mil in movement from the chain, but from what I measured this, I think it was yesterday, the day before, we are getting about 45 mil of movement, so that is way too much. So I need to get this adjusted, get the chain cleaned up, and then we should be good to go for a ride. Alright, so let's get this moved over. Up. Okay, I think that should do it about there. Move the noodles out the way. Now also, let me know what you think about having the camera in that sort of point of view mode. Oh. Yeah, I think we're pretty... Yeah, that's pretty good. Actually, this is the only real toolkit I have now. Since I moved here from Auckland, I actually got rid of a lot of my stuff. Very stupid, but hey, I mean, we're here, we're surviving. I didn't even have the right size socket, so I whipped out to the old Super Cheap Auto, grabbed this 24mm socket, 1/2-inch drive, so we can get this guy undone. This will chain guard off, get that out the way. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. No light here, but I need to get into... Wow, okay, so that just stopped working. I always keep a spare one in here. Oh, where is it? That's what I'm after. This one here out as well. This guy out of the way. First time actually adjusting the chain on the bike, so never done it before. All I did is checked out, I guess, Google, what I needed to do, and we are here doing it. Best to clean the chain first, which you can clean the chain after. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Whew. That is not good. I loosened. Spanner for here. Could be a 10. No, it's a 12. Okay. Tighten. Wow, okay. You don't actually need to adjust it a lot. Look at that. So if I loosen this back, you go from slack, you then, wow, okay, that actually does it quite a bit. Okay. 10. Oh, okay, it's too tight, too tight. 50 mil, 10 mil, 20 mil. Okay, spot on. You can see there's a little mark in here, so we need to make sure the other side is on that same mark right there. I'm happy with that. Yep. Okay. So make sure this is tight. That's actually not as bad as I thought. Alright, I guess it is time to get the chain all cleaned up. And then we need to get this rear nut torqued up as well. Hopefully that is a better view. We just set up on the box tripod. So let's get this chain cleaned up. This is the kit that I've been using. It's a MOTUL chain cleaning and lube kit. It actually comes with all three things. So you've got the chain clean, you've got the chain lube and you've got a chain brush in there as well. This here I think was about 30 bucks. It's done the trick so far, but for now, let's get this chain cleaned up. I have seen you can do it other ways. This is not telling you how to do it. This is just me doing it as well. If you haven't got yourself a paddock stand, do invest in one. This one I picked up secondhand off the good old Facebook Marketplace. It cost me 50 bucks, which is an absolute bargain for something that's gonna make your life so much easier. Look how easy this is. It's such a breeze. Okay, so that's all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and get some new lube. Stunning. Chain guard back into place. Just like that. I'm feeling the old summer glove today. And I've said this before, but man, this scares the crap out of me. Whew. Getting used to it. And it feels weird riding with these gloves again. These gloves actually feel a bit slippery. Maybe it's just the old grips. The factory grips are getting a bit slippery. I don't actually think I did my backpack up properly. Oh, no I did. I can never be too cautious, you know?
Hello!
People need to learn how to stay in their own bloody lane, I tell ya. Jesus. Glorious day. Alright folks, so if you want to see some more, make sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment as well. I'm all ears for whatever you have to say. Until next time, ride safe, peace out.